Hi, in this lecture you will learn how to upload a file via Python, and for this we will use as an example this website. You can find the link in the resources of this lecture. Once you open the link, you'll see down here there's a form, and we can upload a file through this form either using the browser as I'm doing right now or by using Python. So first press the choose file button and then find a file and then press the press button to upload the file. And you should see this final web page which says that you have uploaded the file successfully. This is the content of the file, so it was a text file in my case. That's why we can see the content, since it was text. If it was an MP3 for example or something else, you will see maybe some bytes in here. So anyway, let's go back to the page where the upload form is and then go back to our Python environment and create a new script and import requests. So again, we will use requests just as we did previously when we downloaded a file. So previously we used the get method. Now we will use the post method. And of course, first we need a URL pointing to the post URL. What is the post URL? Well, you can find the post URL of a form by doing an upload again. So just pick a file, then press the press button, and once you do that, this URL here in the browser will change to something else. So you see, wait. So once you see the file upload results, then you see the URL has changed. You should copy that URL, go to Python and put it inside quotes. So you see in my case, this URL ends with CGI. Once you have that URL, then we're ready to make the request, which is request.post. URL is the first parameter, but we also need another parameter here, and that is the file we want to upload. So for this, I'm just going to create a new file and use it to upload it to that website. Just say my file.txt. Hey, I'm a new file. I'll get uploaded. That's the file we want to upload, a simple txt file. And we want to provide that file in here, but you don't want to provide the file path like that, because this method expects the actual file object. So you need to create a file object using file is equal to open. Then you provide the path to the file you want to upload. So my file.txt, open it in R mode or RB. It's even better because RB is both for binary and text files. In our case, it would also work if we just left it R, since this is about text files, but RB is more inclusive. So file is the file object, and then we provide a file's argument, which is a dictionary. This dictionary has a key and a value. The value is the file object we have created in here, and the key is, well, the key of that comes from this form. So what you want to do is first reload this page. Yes, then right click over the page and go to show page source or page source or wherever it is in your browser. And then you want to scroll down to find the form tag you see down here. Otherwise, you can also use inspect element. So click somewhere close to here and go to inspect element, and again you find that form tag and then expand it, and you want to find the input type tag, this one in here, and you want to see what value is attached to the name property. In my case, it is up file. So that is the place where we want to upload our file. Therefore, in here we should say up file. In your form it could be different, so make sure you have the correct value. So that code will post that file to this web page. Now all we're left to do is just print out the results of the requests. So request.txt, and let's run it. I have a typo, request, like that, run again. And that's the result. So basically what we get here is the same page that we get when we upload a file manually by pressing that button. So basically we have this content displayed here. You see file upload results here as well. Here we have, of course, some HTML tags because this is a raw string. To make sure that the file was uploaded, you should see here under the file's contents are, and then we have this tag and that tag, and then we have the content of the file. Hey, I'm a new file, I will get uploaded. So that is the content of the file we have uploaded. Depending on the website, this could be different. So this web page shows us these results, but other web pages can show you something different. But generally, this is how you upload files via Python. So I hope that worked, and let's have some more videos. See you in the next one.